Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can inspect element on our school Chromebook. So for that you need to open up a new tab, and after that bookmark a tab, click on more, and then name it whatever you want it to be. And in the URL section I will be providing you a code in the description. All you have to do is just copy this description and paste it in the code section, URL section I mean. Just copy it and paste it over here. Click on save, and after that you can search for any website. Like if you search for hello, now go to your bookmarks and select the bookmark that we just saved. After that, this is how it will appear. You can change the pink and orange areas in your website or browser. Just suppose I want to change it up, so I will just click here and it will open up this inspect element, and I can just change it from here. And this is how it works. You can change it and click on update and it will be updated. And that's how you do it. You can prank your friends or anyone, and it will be quite useful for you. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.